All right, today we're going to bring a mechanical keyboard. Now this keyboard comes with instructions. They give you the tool to take out anything you want. They give you 2 extra mechanical inputs, and they give you the charging station. Now this one has Bluetooth and 2.4 hertz. All right. Now, right now we are plugged in. We're charging it up. Right now you have your controls in the back, your 2.4, your Bluetooth, your Type C to charge it. And then here is the USB for the 2.4 hertz. All right. If you want to transfer, you could do, like I said, if you forget this, you can always use Bluetooth. Look at the bottom, mirror finish in the bottom. Beautiful, outstanding. I left my fingerprints there already. Now, this is a heavy duty keyboard. The reason is that it's heavy because it lasts a long time, the battery, and pretty much I love the design. They give you functions. You have a lot of functions in here that you can use. Best thing about the keyboard is that, so if you ever want to replace the keys, all you got to do is use a tool, lift up, and that's pretty much it. You can replace your keys if you want, the ones that you print out or you make or you buy, and have your own inputs in there and have them replaced. You can replace your keyboards. That's what I like about it. Like I printed all these, the Pokemon, I print, you know, look at my collection. I printed out for them. Pokemon, a mouse, cheese, Mario, Optimus Prime, question mark from Mario, some skeleton, and of course we got our Game Boy here. So every single key is replaceable. They got volume control, mute button. When you hit it down, it's mute. Different LED lightings. We're going to show you the functions, how to use them, and how to control them. Do an audio test. Now, if you want to make it softer, you could change the whole entire system itself. So it doesn't have to be this loud. It could be even softer. It could be harder. However you want. This is you can modify it. Now let's take a look how much it weighs. All right. All right, we're gonna weight this. All right, and this is a little heavy duty. So let me tell you how heavy it is. It's about 3.11. All right, so this is heavy duty. It's not going to move anywhere. If you're a gamer, you don't have to worry about moving the carpet underneath or maybe the mouse pad or anything that you have underneath, because this is heavy duty. I like the way it weights because it feels great when you're actually gaming. You don't have to worry about bumping it, moving it around. It's going to stay still for quite a while. But all right, we turn off a couple of lights here so you guys can see the functions on it. All right, so right now, as you can see, it all lights up. Right now we only have one color right now, but I'm going to show you how to change the actual system. All right, so right now completely white. Hold the function key. All right, and you could change the colors too if you want, but it's going to be super solid. If you guys can see that, changing the colors, you could go up, down. Look at that. Beautiful colors. We're back to white. Let's take it back to white. Now we're going to change the modes. All right, modes, function, hold the function. Look at that. It's a breathing mode. All right, you could change the colors on this one too. Change to a different mode. This is more relaxing. It goes away to save battery, of course, but when you hit it, it comes back to life. If you guys can see, this button here is the only one that doesn't change. It changes different color and it's like breathing on its own. I love that. Look at that. We're going to go with different functions, and then it turns off completely. But then you hit the button. Look at that. All right, so here's the keyboard. I have it. It's taking no space whatsoever. I have plenty of space for my mouse here because it's smaller, and I love the functions on it. I like the lighting. It matches my ambiance in my room here for gaming. Beautiful. I like that you go mute here, and you go unmute. If you guys can see that, it's mute right now, and I'm gonna unmute it, like just like hitting it automatically. Look, you can control the volume on it. You could click down and it starts muting. You could change the colors to match your room. I like my room, so I like these lights to match my actual keyboard and my domain here. So if you guys are looking for a perfect keyboard, it's not gonna move anywhere. Look at that. It's a little heavier than usual, but it's pretty good. I mean, this is for a desk, not to travel, but it's perfect for gaming. Those that are gaming that move their mouse or hit the mouse with the actual keyboard. You don't have to worry about the weight on it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.